Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Amlan and today we're going to dive into an essential function in the Tidyverse package, the Mutate function. Whether you're a data scientist, analyst, or just someone interested in data manipulation, mastering Mutate will significantly enhance your data handling skills. So let's get started. The Mutate function is a part of the dplyr package within Tidyverse and it's used to add new variables or transform existing ones in your data frame. Let's take a look at a simple dataset of students with name, age, and grades. Now, suppose we want to add a new column that calculates the number of years until each student turns 30. Here's how we can do it with Mutate. Years till 30 is equal to 30 minus age. And you can see we've calculated the years until each student will turn 30. The mutate function also allows us to modify existing columns. For instance, let's say we want to adjust the grades by appending a plus to each one. Here's how we can do it. Mutate. We will use paste 0 to concatenate a plus sign after each grade. And you can see A became A plus, B became B plus, and C became C plus. Now let's perform a more complex transformation. Suppose we want to create a new column that categorizes students as either young or old based on their age. Here's how we will be doing it. We will use mutate age group equals to if age is less than 24, then young, otherwise old. And you can see we've created a age group column which categorizes people over 24 as old. To recap, the mutate function is highly versatile. It allows you to add new variables, modify existing ones, and perform complex transformations with ease. This function is essential for anyone working with data in R. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more data science tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions for future topics in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you.